Today I'm going to share how you can get paid PayPal money to create memes, and you can also get paid in Western Union, and there's a couple of other different options in this video for you. So what we'll do is I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll show you the different websites to use. I'll show you how much you can expect to earn with this method, because you can actually earn up to $100 with this. You can earn $50, you can earn $25, you can earn less as well, and we'll go through that and I'll show you the different websites and how much you can expect to earn on them. This is available worldwide and it's absolutely free to get started with. So make sure you stay till the end, because what I'll do is once we've gone through this process and I'll show you the websites that you need to use, I'll show you how you can then go ahead and speed up the entire process. I'll show you where you can go ahead and get some free software so you can knock out as many of these memes as you want a day, and literally using this software it'll take you less than 30 seconds to a minute to create these memes. And then I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and make more money with this method of earning PayPal money by creating memes. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'll just walk you through the simple process to earn some extra money online creating memes. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can earn some extra money via PayPal, and there's other options, by making memes. And this is really simple and really easy, and at the end I'll show you a website where you can go ahead and basically use their free software to just generate as many of these memes as you want. So this is my blog. Now on here I wrote this article here. This was the end of August 2018. And this basically goes through and it's going to cover the site that we're looking at. I also did a video of this, so this was back in, like I said, this was back end of August 2018. But since then I've also found another site which helps you, well, where you can go ahead and create memes and you will get paid for doing so. So let's go to the first one. So the first one, as you can see here, it's called Cracked, and I'll drop a link to this article below. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So this is cracked.com. Now I'm on the home page here. Now if I just scroll down here, you can see we want you. You can write and make stuff for Cracked today. So we'll come down here. Now look, on here you can earn money with Cracked in many different ways. You can go ahead and write articles, and they've got example articles on here, so you can go ahead and have a look at these ones here. But today we're just going to focus on creating memes. So I'm going to scroll down the page here, and you've got this here. This is what we're looking for, this images. So if you prefer writing bite-sized comedy, then you can go ahead and have a look at these. Now on here, all of these different memes, you can actually earn decent money from this, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that in a second. So if I scroll down here, you've got single artist image sets, so you can go ahead and create basically single images like these ones, and there's lots of other different images that you can go ahead and create with this. But then come down here, this is the one you want to be looking for. So if you don't want to go down the route of making an image or an image set, then you can actually go ahead and earn money by creating memes. And as you can see here, plus you get to tell people that you get paid to make memes. So how this works is you come over here, come over to this Cracked, right for Cracked, you scroll down and you find this one here, this PictoFacts contest, and then you're going to click on enter the image contest, and that will then take you through to this page here. Now this is basically, it's a huge forum. It's a bit like Reddit in a way. So if you scroll down here, you've got announcements on here, and you've got topics. Now the first one you want to be looking for is this one here, topics. And you can see they've got all of these different competitions which are running on here. So I'm going to click on here, the first one. We'll just go into the first one, we'll have a look at this. So we're going to click on PictoFacts 4. It then takes you through to this page here. So you can see this is the competition. So it's running now, so this one here is active now, and it ends on Tuesday the 16th of April at 4 PM Pacific time. Now if I scroll down here, you can see some examples of these different memes that people have made. And this here, so this is how much you can earn. So the first place will earn $100, and then second through to 9th place, they all earn $25 each, and then randomly, look, the last place earns $50. Now it will go through here and it will tell you like the official rules. So if you come down here, it will go through and tell you, you know, what you need to do, how you enter, and all the other bits on here. But if we come through here, you can see prize. So the winner of the contest will win $100. Second through to 9th place earn $25, and then scroll down here. The last entry that still makes it into, oh sorry, I can't read, it's that small. The last place entry that still makes it into the published article will win $50. So in this example here, 10 people are going to go ahead and earn some extra money. But scroll further down the page here, you can actually see entries so far. So you can see different entries that people have gone ahead and, you can basically see other people's memes and what they're doing, and you can go ahead and start looking at creating your own on here. So scroll down here, there's lots on here. So this is great because you can actually go ahead and see what everyone else is doing, and then you can go ahead and try and create your meme a little bit different and just basically try and stand out from the crowd really. So you can come here and just go through all of these different ones, and there's many of these competitions running every single week. Scroll back up to the top here. So on here, just like I say, you go through the rules and it'll tell you about, the size of the picture as well. I think that's normally at the top as well on here. We'll go up to the top here, it normally tells you, where is it? It's normally at the top on here. Has it actually gone down here? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? No purchase eligibility. It normally tells you about the size of your meme, because that's, oh, here you go, you can see here. Entries must be no wider than 550 pixels. So this is just one website, and this was the website that I covered, probably this was about 4 or 5 months ago when I first covered this website here, this cracked.com. So you can go ahead on here and enter these competitions to make money via memes. Now there's another website that I've found recently, and it's this one here, and it's called picturepunches.com. Now on here, the way this works is this site, they basically earn money via ads, and you'll see lots of these ads on here. Now on the left hand side you've got languages, so you can go ahead and you can upload memes in any of these languages on here, so it's available pretty much worldwide. Then you've got your sections here, so you can go into the different sections and have a look at these. So let's just look at hot. We'll look at some of the hot memes on here. So this is a meme here. You can see how much they've currently earned from this meme here. Scroll down, we'll also find another one, and you can basically go through and have a look at these. Now the difference between these two websites here is, over on Cracked here, where you're basically submitting these different memes on here, you're entering a competition on here. So you're going over here and you're going into the image contest on here, and you earn money via, well, basically wherever you end up in the competition. So first place through to 10th place, you will earn money. Whereas over on this Picture Punches, all you do on here is you create a meme, you come over here, you upload it, and you put it into one of these sections. And then basically you will earn money via impressions. And what that basically means is, every time somebody comes on this page here and looks at one of these memes, you can see below the meme there's an ad on here. So impressions basically means how many times people have seen this ad. And then this company here, this picturepunches.com, in this example here, Fiverr will pay them every time somebody sees their ad, and then the people who have uploaded the memes, they will earn a small amount of money based upon the impressions. So you can come through here and see how much they've earned. Now as you can see here, you're not earning lots of money with this, whereas over on Cracked you can potentially earn up to $100. So out of the two, I would say probably focus more on Cracked. But on here you can literally just upload as many of these as you want, and then you can earn money. So I mean, look at this is just a ridiculous meme. When you run out of ideas for memes, and you can see it's earned this amount of money, but you can see it's not it's not a lot of money at all, is it? Let's be honest. So on here, when you scroll to the top of the home page, at the bottom here you've got these different things down here. Now you see where it says learn. If you click on learn, I just want to show you this. I'm going to click on learn, and it takes you through to this page here. So it's basically like a frequently asked questions page. Now if I scroll down here, there's lots of bits of information on here, but I just want to talk to you about the money and how do you basically withdraw. So it goes through like different things like you earn per points and impressions, all that sort of stuff. But you can see here, what is the minimum withdrawal amount on this website here? So the current minimum withdrawal is $1. So once you earn $1, you can actually go ahead and withdraw. Now on here you can withdraw via PayPal, and you can also withdraw via Western Union. But you'll notice here, Western Union, the minimal withdrawal is a lot higher than PayPal. So PayPal is $1. Over on Western Union, it's actually $30. And then scroll down, where was the one I want to show you? How long does it normally take to receive my earnings? So once you've gone ahead and you've got your money and you've put in a withdrawal request, you'll normally get that in less than 24 hours. And there's lots more frequently asked questions on here, so feel free to go ahead and have a look at these. So at the beginning of this video, I said if you stay to the end, I'll show you a website and some software that you can go ahead and use where you can knock out as many of these memes as you want. So that website there is this one here, and it's called IMG Flip. Let me just get rid of this. It's called IMG Flip. So this is basically a meme generator, and this is the home page, and on here you've got all different images that you can go ahead and select. So you just simply click on one and it will upload this for you, and then once you start, basically you'll now overlay your text. So here where it says top text, you can just type in whatever you want. So I'll just type in example. You can see, oh hang on, I can't even spell today. I'm going to type in example, and then bottom text here, test 1. And then you go through this. You can play around with, as you can see, you can play around with the different colors available. You can go through these different images on here. You can actually search by you can search by all popular memes on here. You can even upload your own image on here. And if you scroll down here, you've got other popular memes. So you can see all these different ones on here. So you can basically come over to this website here, this meme generator, and just knock out as many of these as you want. Then you can upload them over onto this picture punches, and you'll be earning like pennies basically uploading them onto here. And then, but what I'd say is, if you are going to go down this route of trying to make some extra money using memes, then go over to Cracked and literally just enter the image contest over here, and just go into here, and it will walk you through everything you need to do to earn some extra money online making memes. So it's this one here. I'll drop a link to this below for you, this imageflip.com. This here, it will just speed up the whole process for you, and like I say, it's really simple. It works very quick, and once you're happy with all your memes, you just go ahead and download that. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you've actually ever tried to make money with this method before. I'd be very interested to find out. If you like the video, leave it a like for me, and as always, if you like really simple, really easy ways to make money online and work from home, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and then I'll always update you when I've uploaded a new video. So thanks for watching. I shall see you tomorrow.